Tens of thousands of protesters have flocked to Tel Aviv and cities across Israel to express their opposition to Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's far-right government and its divisive plan to overhaul the country's judicial system. This latest protest against the government comes as Israelis are set to mark both the Israeli Independence Day and Israeli Memorial Day, which commemorates those killed in Israel's war and in terror attacks. Crowds of Israelis held banners with the words Prime Minister overlaid on Netanyahu's face in Tel Aviv at Saturday's protests, the latest in a series of weekly actions since the start of the year. Amid concerns of disruption during Memorial Day, leading opposition lawmakers Lapid and Benny Gantz made a rare call for unity with Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, urging Israelis to put aside deep divisions for a single day in honor of those killed. A similar joint call was issued by Modin Mayor Haim Bibas, who also chairs the Federation of Local Authorities, along with Jerusalem Mayor Moshe Lyon, Tel Aviv Mayor Ron Huldai, and more than 115 other municipality heads across the country. On Tuesday evening, the central torchlighting ceremony will be held as the country moves from mourning those killed in military service and terror attacks to celebrating 75 years of independence. Plans by Netanyahu's government to weaken the Supreme Court have outraged Israelis who see it as an assault on their country's system of checks and balances and a threat to its very democracy. The government, on the other hand, has accused activist judges of increasingly usurping the role of parliament and says that the overhaul is needed to restore balance between the judiciary and elected politicians. The protests have galvanized people across Israeli society. Thousands of officers and elite reserve units of the military have said they will refuse to report for duty. High-tech business leaders and the security establishment have come out against the proposal. Trade unions have called for a general strike. Furious public protests last month brought Israeli cities to a standstill and threatened to shut down the economy, compelling Netanyahu to delay the plan in hopes of finding a compromise. The pause has not persuaded the protesters, who continue to flood the streets, shouting "shame," weeks after Netanyahu backed down, demanding that the overhaul be scrapped together. A poll released by Israel's public broadcaster on Friday found the plans are deeply unpopular, with 53% saying they believe the plans will harm the country. Additionally, 60% of Israelis said that the government does not represent them, and 48% believe that the situation in the country will continue to get worse.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.